Standard 8 Subject Social Science, Chapter number 11. The United Nations. United Nations is an intergovernmental organization that aims to maintain international peace and security and develop the friendly relations among the nations. It was founded after World War II. But why do we need an international institution? Destruction was caused in most of the countries during the World War I, and people of the world wanted peace. Historical experiences proved that it was essential to establish an international organization to safeguard the peace in the world and unite the different countries. The idea of international organization was presented by Woodrow Wilson and then the President of USA. The League of Nations was established in 1920. For a certain period of time, League of Nations tried to prevent war between nations by solving the disputes, but it failed in protecting weaker nations, and it results into Second World War. The Second World War was more destructive than First World War. Atomic bomb was used to massacre a lot of people. Almost all the countries of the world were more or less affected by it. Therefore, the need of an United Nations organization has started. The diplomats across the world were determined to free the world from immediate danger of war and world war. Franklin D. Roosevelt and the President of USA puts in efforts to establish a world organization, and as a result, on 24th October 1945, United Nations organization was established. It was called UNO in short, and now it is recognized as United Nations. The UN started with 51 nations as its member, and today number has grown to 193. Tenure or the time period of General Secretary of UN is of 5 years. Ban Ki-moon of Korea has been serving as General Secretary of the UN since 2007. He was re-elected in the year 2011 for the second term on this post. South Sudan of Africa became 193rd to join the country UN. The official language of UN are Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. These languages are used in UN. The main objective of UN are mentioned in its constitution. The first objective is to maintain the international peace and safety, to assure that disputes among the countries can be solved by discussions and debates, but not by the war, to promote the feeling of friendship among member nations. They should cooperate with each other and help each other in their need, to solve economic, social, cultural and humanity-related problems at international level, to seek cooperation to create a feeling of respect for human rights and fundamental rights to freedom. In this, the member country can ask for help from UN and the other countries of which are the member of UN whenever they need a help. There are 6 important parts of UN, that is, organs of United Nations. The first is Secretariat. It implements the decision taken by various organs of the UN. Second is General Assembly. The organization of countries to discuss and solve the international issues are held in General Assembly. All the countries discuss and try to solve the disputes among them. The third important organ of UN is Security Council, where they safeguards the international security and gives the security to the from all the countries to other. The International Court of Justice, where the disputes among the member nations are solved and they can ask for justice from the court. Fifth is Trusteeship Council, which helps to get freedom from foreign rules in among the member nations through United Nations. And last and important organ of United Nations is Economic and Social Council, which improves the economic and social conditions for the welfare of people. Whenever any country needs economic or social help for the better development of their people of their country, they can seek help from the United Nations. And United Nations helps them to improve it. The next part of our chapter is the General Assembly.